Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, gonna check out another Holy Stone drone here. This is the HS175G brushless GPS drone. It's under 250 grams, so no registration required, which is cool. No need to bother with the FAA. You just fly, have fun, be good, and you won't get no trouble. How's that sound? Anyway, I have this connected through Wi-Fi. There's no wire to connect the phone, so just hook it to the Holy Stone drone and then wait for a notification, because you'll get one. There's no internet, so you'll have to select yes to stay connected. All right, now then we go into our app, which is HS V5. That's HS V5. All right, let's go ahead, enter there. What is that? I don't know. It was Chinese. I couldn't read it. I only can understand English. But anyway, hit preparation. Okay, calibrate. It's calibrating the gyro. Okay, now we gotta calibrate the compass. So select that. Looks like it's got it going. What is it? Is that clockwise or counterclockwise? Can't hardly tell with their arrows there. Let's try clockwise. Okay, up and clockwise. See how that works. Okay, camera facing up clockwise and then horizontal clockwise first. All right, it accepted it, so we'll see if it flies. Please wait until the status bar changes from optical mode to GPS before flying. Okay, it's in GPS mode, so we're good. It shows you can pinch your fingers to zoom and zoom out on the screen there. All right, back here you have a roller for the camera up and down. You have camera video button. You have a takeoff and land, return to home up here. Speed button, power button, gyro stabilization, and compass. Okay, here we go. Down into the middle to take off. Yeah, let's go on speed 3, or I guess speed 2, that's all it has. I get so confused. They go 1, 2, sometimes they go 3. So this one has 2. Here we go. Down into the center to take off. All right. Well, don't look like I have any toilet bowl action, but the wind's definitely affecting it. It's a small drone, so I imagine this amount of wind is a bit much for a small drone. Can you see these branches moving? That's about the only way. You can see leaves blowing around. But you can see the drone moving with it. It's fighting the wind. It's actually doing a pretty good job for as small as it is. I'm surprised it's not drifting away. That's GPS for you. Very cool. Look at that thing. All right, let me show you the camera. Camera looking down, camera looking up. That's cool. Got rubber feet on this thing. I really love it when they put rubber feet. Love's a pretty strong word. I like it when they do rubber feet, for sure. We'll see. Wow, that thing leans up pretty good. That's got good forward motion. Pretty fast little drone. Very cool. Look at that. Wow, this one's capable in the wind. Neat. All right, I hope so, because I'm gonna have to take it up a little higher to get some good video footage and try the GPS. Return to home. Look at that. Wow, look at all them birds. I'm not sure if you can see that. We're gonna fly with the birds. We're flocking with them. Fun. I'm not sure if it's in beginner mode, but sometimes if you have a geo fence, just shut the beginner mode off and you'll open up a lot more distance or range. Very cool. I am in high speed. I'm going to keep it there because so much wind. There's a drone that flies in the wind. HS175G. Look at that thing. Very cool. Can we go left? It's turning to the right, but can it turn to the left? Oh yeah, of course it can. Nice. Okay, let me get a a little bit of, or I just have a hard time talking once I start the video. Anybody else have that problem? Or is it just me? Let me know in the comments. Here we go. I'm gonna do a snapshot. There's one. Let me turn back, look into the other field. There are just fields everywhere, so let's just look at this field now. Snapshot there. Let's go ahead and start some video. Oh. Let me go ahead and take a couple more photos. I'm not sure what I did at first there. I think I was trying to record, but I wasn't holding it long enough. Okay, I'm recording video, so let's do a slow 360. Go as slow as I can. Try to give it the best quality video I can for you guys. This one does have EIS. Very cool. Definitely a quality drone. I'm liking it. Look at it standing up there, or just staying put up there in all this wind. It's crazy. Crazy awesome. Okay, stopping the video. Video stopped. All right, do a little more cruising because it's fun. Wow, very nice. I imagine this has awesome flight times. Probably around 15 minutes, 20 minutes, something like that. It's got a big battery, so I'm just guessing. I haven't timed it yet, so don't hold me to it, please. Don't quote me on that. We'll do future videos and I'll time it, but nobody really watches them. So it's kind of a waste of my time. I don't like to waste my time. Here we go. Let's get out there a little bit further above them trees and initiate our first return to home. See what happens. You should have really good range with this too. I'm not going to say how much. You can call the manufacturer and check that. All right, here we go. Return to home initiated. Ooh, that's awesome. It spins around. That's my favorite. This thing's got a lot of features I like. Rubber feet, it spins and returns. Look at that thing. Wow, kicked into high gear. I hope you guys can see that. That is so cool. So I'm gonna turn around and come back. I can't go any further back. This is far. I'm on my truck grill. On the bumper. Look at that. It turns around and then it's gonna descend. Very cool. Nice drone, Holy Stone. Thank you for that. Once again, they've all been satisfactory. They've all been great, actually. The weakest one I've tried is the HS175G, and it's just a brushed. I was expecting it to be a little weakling. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and stop it by hitting the return to home button again. That'll stop the return to home, just so you know. And look at that thing just sit there and wait for my next command. See, I'm not even doing anything. These things are awesome. A baby could fly a drone if it's a good one, right? A baby, you see it? Adults can fly them too, though. I'm just saying, they're that easy to fly if you have it in GPS mode. If you're in manual mode, they're harder. Just keep that in mind. If you are new to it, put it in GPS mode. It'll hold it steady for you. Altitude holds pretty good, but it's not near as good as GPS. You have your global positioning sensor that keeps it locked right in. So it's definitely easier to fly. Alrighty guys, let's see if we can do maybe a couple more return to home. Check the accuracy. That one was pretty good. This does have light on it too, so you can see it at night if you want to do a little night flying. A bunch of seagulls up there. I don't know if you guys can see them, but stay out of their way. Here we go, another return to home. Initiated. Let's turn it around and head it back. Wow, very nice. I think I'm going to just do this one this time, and then we're going to bring it in for a landing and call it a day. It's really windy out here. I usually do 3 return to homes, but 2 is going to be good enough for this video. This wind keeps picking up, it'll carry us away. Wow, I hope everybody's doing well. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Appreciate all the support. We're gaining on 9,000 subscribers. I'm ready to keep going. Hopefully my videos get better for you. Can't make any promises. I'll try. Give me some input. Let me know what you want to see. Bugs are everywhere. It just got warm and the bugs are out already. How about that? Okay, it's about the same. It's not accurate. It may be 10 or 12 feet away. That's close enough. Get it back to you so you can see it. All right, I'm gonna put it on speed 1 so I can go ahead and try to get over this landing pad and do a let's try an auto landing if I can. It's kind of windy here. A little bit of play in that GPS, so just remember that. It takes it a little bit to calibrate. Okay, auto land. Hey, look at there, we got a piece of the pad. All right, guys, there you have it. That is the Holy Stone HS175G. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.